Hey you guys, this is Miss Sanderlin, and I'm going to talk about your graphing assignment, what you should do with it, where you should turn it in. So let's look at that. So you start in your Unit 2 folder, or there will be a link in your announcement that should be at the top. Lesson 5, Day 3, Graphing without percentages. Graphing without percentages. So, read the directions. Please watch the video for instructions and complete your assignment in your science notebook. If you have any questions, please contact Ms. Sanderlin via email or Schoology. So you would click this to open your assignment. I'm just going to open the Word document on my computer. So when you open your assignment, it looks like this. Please look carefully at the data tables below. Graph the data set 1 as a bar graph, data set 2 as a line graph, data set 3 as a pie graph. Carefully explain how the data and the graph are related. Why are graphs and tables important? Do we need both? How are they similar? So make sure that you're marking your X and Y axis on your graphs for both the line graph and the bar graph. And then for your pie graph, make sure that you are labeling each section of the pie graph, like we did in the warm-up in class. So on your assignment, the percentages are not filled in, so if you can calculate those percentages, I would like you to do that. If you cannot copy those percentages, you are more than welcome to pause this video and write those percentages down in your own notebook. So for each section, I would like you, since we have talked about observations and inferences, I would like you to write one observation and one inference. Remember, observations are based on the data. So for this observation, a good one would be that Chick-fil-A has the most votes. You can clearly see that Chick-fil-A has 17 compared to all the other votes. And then an inference is still sort of based on the data, but it's more like a guess. So for this one, the people in this area don't like McDonald's. You could guess that from the data because McDonald's only has 5 votes compared to all the other ones that are in double digits. So for this assignment, I would like you guys to draw your graphs in your notebooks. And if you would like to, you can take a picture of those graphs and just paste it and put the picture in the document. So it's easier to turn in that way, and then just type everything else in the boxes on the document itself. Or if you would like to do the entire document in your notebook, you can do what we did last time for the discussion and just take a picture of the entire page of notebook work and either attach it as an extra page onto this document or attach it in the comments of the assignment. Let me know if you have any questions. You can talk to me via email or Schoology, and I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can. That's it.